Just a few years ago, the Mercedes-AMG C63 was one of the most respected performance sedans on the planet. Its thunderous V8 engine, brutal acceleration, and unmistakable exhaust note made it a dream car for enthusiasts everywhere. Then, Mercedes-AMG made one of the most controversial decisions in its history, replacing that legendary V8 with a four-cylinder hybrid. Fans were furious, sales disappointed, and suddenly, rumors began spreading that the legendary C63 could return in a completely new form. So, is the 2028 Mercedes-AMG C63 finally bringing back the excitement that made it an icon? Today, we're looking at everything we know so far and what the future could hold for one of AMG's most legendary performance cars. For decades, the Mercedes-AMG C63 represented everything enthusiasts loved about German performance engineering. It wasn't just another luxury sedan. It was a monster hiding in plain sight. From the outside, it looked elegant and refined. But press the start button, and the deep rumble of its handcrafted V8 immediately reminded you that this was something very different. The C63 wasn't built to quietly blend into traffic. It was built to dominate highways, embarrass sports cars, and put a smile on the face of anyone lucky enough to drive it. Whether it was the naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 from the early generations, or the later twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, the C63 became one of AMG's greatest success stories. It was fast, it was loud, and perhaps most importantly, it had character. But then, everything changed. In an effort to meet stricter global emissions regulations and embrace electrification, Mercedes-AMG made one of the boldest and most controversial moves in its history. The legendary V8 disappeared. In its place came a highly advanced turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid system, producing incredible power on paper. From a technical standpoint, it was impressive. The new powertrain combined Formula One-inspired hybrid technology with sophisticated electric assistance, creating one of the most advanced performance sedans Mercedes had ever built. But numbers don't always tell the whole story. While the new C63 offered remarkable acceleration and cutting-edge engineering, many enthusiasts felt it had lost something impossible to measure. The sound, the emotion, the unmistakable personality that had defined the C63 for years. Reviews praised its technology but often questioned whether it still felt like a true AMG. Customers seemed to agree. Sales reportedly failed to meet expectations, and discussions about the future of the C63 quickly began circulating throughout the automotive world. Then came another surprise. Mercedes-AMG confirmed that the current four-cylinder C63 would eventually give way to a new AMG C53, powered by a turbocharged inline-six. For many enthusiasts, that announcement raised an even bigger question. What happens to the legendary C63 badge? Would Mercedes quietly retire one of its most famous performance names? Or was the company already planning something much bigger? That's exactly why the rumored 2028 Mercedes-AMG C63 has become one of the most talked about future performance cars. Although Mercedes has not officially announced a 2028 C63, industry insiders believe AMG understands exactly what enthusiasts want. The C63 isn't just another model, it's a symbol. And symbols are difficult to replace. So, what could the next generation look like? Let's start with the design. If Mercedes decides to revive the C63, expect it to follow the brand's latest design language while remaining unmistakably aggressive. Large air intakes, a wider stance, pronounced fender flares, an even more intimidating Panamericana grille, slimmer LED headlights, active aerodynamic elements, and perhaps the most recognizable AMG signature of all, a muscular rear end with quad exhaust outlets. Every generation of the C63 has looked purposeful. The next one will likely continue that tradition. Inside, Mercedes is expected to push technology even further. Imagine a cabin filled with premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. A massive digital instrument cluster, the newest version of the MBUX infotainment system, an advanced augmented reality head-up display, AI-powered voice controls, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, performance telemetry, drive mode customization, and highly supportive AMG performance seats designed to keep the driver firmly in place during aggressive cornering. Luxury has always been one of Mercedes-Benz's greatest strengths. AMG simply adds excitement to the formula. But let's be honest, the biggest question isn't the interior. It isn't the technology. It's what's under the hood. And right now, that's where speculation becomes truly fascinating. Some believe Mercedes-AMG could continue using a high-performance hybrid setup, but refine it to deliver a far more emotional driving experience. Others believe AMG may develop an entirely new electrified inline-six designed specifically for performance. Then there are enthusiasts hoping for something almost unimaginable, the return of the V8. While stricter emissions regulations make a full return increasingly difficult, Mercedes has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to innovate. Synthetic fuels, advanced hybrid technology, smaller yet more efficient V8 designs. Nothing can be completely ruled out. If there's one company capable of surprising the automotive world, it's AMG. Whatever engine eventually powers the next C63, one thing is almost certain. Performance won't be an issue. Expect blistering acceleration, advanced all-wheel drive, lightning-fast gear changes, electronically controlled suspension, rear-wheel steering, and intelligent torque distribution, capable of delivering incredible grip in every condition. A future C63 could easily sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 4 seconds. Some experts even believe it could challenge the legendary BMW M3 for the title of the world's best performance sedan once again. Speaking of rivals, competition has never been tougher. BMW continues refining the M3. Audi remains committed to the RS lineup. Cadillac's CT4-V Blackwing has earned widespread praise. Even electric performance sedans are becoming increasingly powerful. The next C63 won't simply need to be fast. It will need to stand out. It must deliver an experience. Because that's what made previous generations unforgettable. No one bought a C63 because it had the most touchscreens. People bought it because of the way it made them feel. The instant throttle response, the roaring exhaust, the confidence it inspired every time they accelerated onto a highway. That's the magic AMG must recapture. Pricing is another area generating significant discussion. Given Mercedes' latest technology and increasingly premium positioning, many analysts expect a future C63 to command a higher price than previous generations. If it arrives around 2028, a starting price somewhere between $95,000 and $120,000 would not be surprising, depending on the final powertrain and equipment. For buyers, that places it directly against some of the world's most respected performance sedans, and that means expectations will be incredibly high. As for timing, Mercedes has remained completely silent about any official launch. There are no confirmed prototypes, no official teaser images, no production timeline. Everything surrounding a possible 2028 C63 remains based on industry speculation, insider reports, and Mercedes-AMG's long-term performance strategy. That's why it's important to separate confirmed facts from expectations. The current four-cylinder C63 is being phased out. Mercedes-AMG is introducing the C53 with a turbocharged inline-six. What happens after that remains one of the biggest mysteries in the performance car world. And perhaps that's exactly what makes this story so interesting. Sometimes the most exciting cars aren't the ones we already know. They're the ones we're still waiting for. The cars surrounded by rumors. The cars enthusiasts refuse to stop talking about. The cars that carry decades of history on their shoulders. The Mercedes-AMG C63 is one of those cars. It represents an era when performance sedans didn't have to choose between luxury and excitement. They could offer both. If Mercedes truly wants the C63 to return as a legend, it can't simply build another fast car. It has to build a car that makes people fall in love the moment they hear the engine start. Whether that comes from an advanced hybrid system, an electrified inline-six, or a completely unexpected solution, only Mercedes-AMG knows. But one thing is certain: the world is watching, enthusiasts are waiting, and expectations have never been higher. If the rumored 2028 Mercedes-AMG C63 finally arrives, it won't just be another new luxury sedan. It could become one of the most important performance cars Mercedes has ever built. Because this isn't simply about horsepower. It's about restoring a legacy. It's about proving that technology and emotion can exist together. And it's about bringing back the soul that made the C63 one of the greatest AMG models of all time. So, what do you think? Should Mercedes-AMG bring back the legendary V8, continue with an advanced hybrid system, or create an entirely new performance engine for the next C63? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy future car documentaries, luxury performance cars, and everything AMG, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We've got many more exciting automotive stories coming your way.